Here's some footage of me using this air duster so you can get an idea of what you can use this for and how powerful this is if you don't already have an air duster. It's one of those things that I just recommend you have in the home because when you need it, super nice to have, especially if you use a lot of electronics or you just live in a place that's pretty dusty. Really nice for just kind of blowing things out. Here's everything that this comes with. The nice thing about the brush attachments or the brushes, getting in between cracks and hard to reach places, like no air duster can get some of this stuff, but using the brush you can loosen the things up, and then with the air duster kind of just blow that away. So certainly a really nice air duster to have. Now this is a sponsored video, so I don't want to share too much of my opinion. I just kind of want to show you the tests I ran with this and how I use this. There are a couple things that make this really unique. I've tested a bunch of air dusters, and one thing I really like about this is you can see it shows the exact battery level when you have it on, so you know how much battery power you have. But the other cool thing about it is when you turn it on, you can actually do some fine tuning for the speed. So I'm going to let you hear how loud it is, but I'm also going to show you as I turn it on how you can change the speed. So you've got the button here, you just press that, and this is on full blast, but I can turn it down and you can see that it's going to adjust as I press it down, and I can press and hold. So I've got it on the lowest setting, number 1 right now. Really kind of cool how you can do the fine tuning for that. And yes, it is loud, and the reason for that is it's also really powerful. You can see with this test I did, I found the most reliable way to test out the power for an air duster like this is I have a setup where I use a kitchen scale and I test for 1.5 minutes, and I measure it at different increments, because one thing I have noticed is a lot of air dusters will start out really strong and then kind of fade in power. And you can see with this air duster, it does start out really strong. If you compare it with these Wolfbox air dusters, you can see that this is very powerful, but the power does get lower the more you use it, which is pretty common among air dusters. The really cool thing about this though is if you go check out the price for this and then you compare the price for other air dusters that are on the same level of power, you will find that this is much less expensive than a lot of those other air dusters. Because of the variety of attachments this is quite versatile, so you can do a lot of dusting for different things, especially for electronics. I have a lot of camera gear, so I like the brush for that because I have a lot of things with ridges where the dust doesn't come up as easy, but with the brush attachment it makes a big difference. So it really does help to dust with this. This is something I think that should be in just about every home.